Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to enter promo code on PolyBuzz AI. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PolyBuzz AI application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enter promo code on PolyBuzz AI. So open PolyBuzz AI as I told you and go to your profile. So in the bottom side of the screen, we can see, as you can see, a few options. We have the home screen, in the chat, we have the plus where you can correct the character, and in the bottom right corner, we have your profile. Then go to the top right corner and click on the top right corner where you will have the settings. Click on the settings, and here you will have the settings of the application. Now, look for a redeem code or promo code and enter or paste the code. In some, of course, versions and regions, it will not be available here, so keep that in mind. But some will, of course, have it where you can, of course, go and do it there and put it there. Of course, you can then go and click on which promo code you have. The promo code must be put in the exact how it was, of course, how you got it, and then click confirm. The redemption option may only appear in the mobile app, also on the web. Also, you may not have it. And if you mean a discount code from a premium subscription, that may instead be during the checkout, and then you have to have a premium subscription, which is, as you can see in the top side, Poly Ultimate, Poly Premium, and Poly Basic. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, until next time, as always, bye guys.